Hello everyone, in front of me is Xiaomi Book S, and let me show you how to change wallpaper. First of all, unroll the list of all apps and go to Settings. Here, locate and open Personalization, go to Background, and choose the source from which you want to select your picture. You can pick something from your gallery or one from default wallpapers. Just mark the particular one. So let me apply, for example, this one, and then all you have to do is to go back. As you can see, the wallpaper has been already added. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.